Hi, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into this Pegasus.cv. Yeah, you're looking for a Pegasus.cv review, or you found it. You're just doing your due diligence, and you're seeing, is it real? Is it a scam? Is it a Ponzi scheme? You just want to see if it does what it says on the tin. Right, so I'm going to go into all of that in a second. But if you're new to this channel, firstly, I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you are getting any value from the channel and you're enjoying it, then please just take a second to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button below. Also, remember to also tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be informed. And I'm doing that regularly. Anything I find out, anything that I think is going to help your trading or help your marketing, then I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Right, as well as that, if you, in a second, I'm going to give you access to our actual trading group that has 5, 6, 7-figure earners in there. That's going to show you a strategy that we actually teach and we train on, and you can get that completely for free. Yeah, so in a second, I'll show you exactly what you need to do to get that. But anyway, let's get started with this Pegasus. So this is the site. It's called pegasus.cv. Right. And what it is, in essence, somebody brought it to me and said to me, it's an easy way to make some money, to make some extra money on your investment. So in essence, what you do, you give your money to these people, and it's a crypto firm sort of thing that you give your money to them, and they offer you these types of returns. They're saying you get 1.5% return on your money per day that you have to leave in there for 200 days, and it's locked for 200 days, and then you're going to get overall a 300% total return on your income. Yeah, so I thought, okay, fine, it sounds very good. Let me come and have a little look at the company. Right, so got to it, done a little bit of research on it. The owner's name is not on the website, but I found out that his name is Peter Nab. The actual site itself is based in Dubai. Yeah, again, no information really though. I'm having to really dig to get this. Yeah, and then they have the main payment portal that you put your money to is something called ePayCor, which is a Russian financial service. So now little red flags are starting to go off for me now. The guy's name's not on there. Where they're based is not on there. This ePayCor is based in Russia. So it's just little red flags are starting to go off for me. So anyway, I thought, let's still do a full review on it, and I came to the site. So here it is. They tell you a little bit about, their company, but mainly about what they do, like their trading and stuff like that. Not so much about what the company's based, but what they're saying is they're in pre-launch at the moment, and they're actually launching in June the 1st, 2022. So now if you want to get started, all you got to do is just got to sign up for Pegasus. You usually have to go through a sponsor, but you can go directly through the site itself. But people have advised it go for a sponsor. You make your deposit. Minimum deposit at the moment is $50. After June the 1st, it's going to be $500. Yeah? So, and your maximum deposit is $250,000. Yeah. And then that's it. You start earning. You'll see your back office. You'll see your money ticking up. Remember though, they hold your money for 200 days before you then can start to think about making a withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is $10. And I've seen some people on YouTube, they've shown that you can get your withdrawal money out. But I don't know. Me personally, it looks a little dodgy. But hey, let's go through it. So now they're saying it's professional traders. Yeah, so it's not like yield farming or anything like that. Do you know what I mean? It's actually professional traders, but we don't see who the traders are, and we don't see any of their trades. We're just told that they can make 1.5% like that, and they make way over that, so they're happy to give you that 1.5%. You earn 7 days a week because it's crypto. So the crypto market's open 7 days a week. You get your withdrawals. When you can start withdrawing, you can get your withdrawals instantly, and they have a lot of security and all this sort of stuff, and they have support. So they have a chat group. They also have a Discord group as well. Your funds are supposedly safe because they put it in something they call a hardcore wallet, so which is like a cold wallet sort of thing. And so when it's in a hot wallet, it's more unsafe, but in a cold wallet, it's safer. They have this secure asset funds, and the platform security as well as that. They're giving you all these statistics. They say they have over 5,000 members. There's been over $1 million in investment. They've paid out $382,650. Now, they don't say how much of that is from affiliates. So, because you can make money from this as an affiliate as well as from the trading side. So they don't differentiate that. We don't know how much of that actually is coming from the trading side. And the days online has been 150 days. Yeah. So the core is you can invest your money at 1.5% daily. That's the interest you're going to be making on this. And you've got to leave it in there for a minimum of 200 days. Yeah. And maximum you're going to be making is 300%. These are all the deposits you can pay with. They do take quite a lot of things here. You know, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Their main one, like I said, is ePay Core. The minimum is $50 at the moment. That's what they're saying. Maximum is $250, $250,000. The minimum withdrawal, when you can withdraw, is $10. And you do get paid only in Bitcoin. So you're going to have a Bitcoin wallet to receive this back. And the total income is $300, 300%. They have an affiliate program as well, you know, where if you want to get involved in the affiliate program at the moment, you can just join it. But later on, they're saying that you're going to have some sort of an account, as in you're going to have some money in your account before you can become an affiliate. But at the moment, they're saying you can just join it for free. But when they're ready to launch properly, you're going to have at least a $50 account or their $500 account before you can become an affiliate. Now, when you become an affiliate, it's a simple 3-tier system. Tier 1, you can make 8%. Tier 2, you make 4% on the people you bring in. And Tier 3, 2%. So overall, you can make an overall commission of 14% from referring other people in their referral program. If you want to become a team leader and you build a big team, which is really where I think the most money you're going to make from this thing really is. Yeah, like I was saying, where I think most of the money is going to be made from this is actually building your team. Yeah, so you actually get a 20% commission on 9 levels. So it goes down to 9 levels, the 9-level referral system for building a team. This is for builders now, for extra bonuses and stuff you get for building your team. And you can see here, when your team's turnover is 25,000, you get a bonus of $500, and it goes up as the team bonus, as the turnover goes up as well. You also get dividends, because you get charged 5% for depositing your money and 5% for withdrawing your money. So they give you some of that back in dividends, 6% overall. So as long as you're an active member, you can make 3% of the fee we charge you on every deposit and withdrawal will be redistributed evenly among each user who has an active deposit. Yeah, so you get a little bit of it back in dividends. It shows you all the coins that they accept. And then they have some FAQs and stuff like that as well. Right, so I thought, let me go and have a look at what other people are saying. So I went over to Trustpilot, and they got a 4.5% rating, which is really high. But then when you look at, I'm very skeptical here, because when you look at this, every single rating is a 5. So we're saying almost everybody that comes in here is a 5, or I think there was 2 people that gave a 4. I mean, it's statistically quite impossible that everybody in the company that's joined this is just completely happy. It's very, very unlikely. Do you know what I mean? So that's just made me feel a little bit like, maybe these are dodgy reviews. Also, when you go to Scam Advisor, they get a score of 1 out of 100. That's really, really low. You know, that means they're really high on the potential scam meter. This is what the Scam Advisors are saying. And their Ponzi scheme score, they fail on the Ponzi scheme score. And that's because they don't have any products. There isn't any education. There isn't any products at all. You are the product of the product. You make money really by these traders investing for you. These traders that you don't know who they are investing for you. You see your money going up in this wallet, and yeah, they're saying that you get your withdrawals after the 200-day period, but these things notoriously close down. You know, there's not any regulations. There are no FTT regulations. The owner's unknown. The place their offices are unknown. So it's high risk. It's a very high risk investment. Do you know what I mean? They've got no, it's like you make money from bringing other people in. That's where the majority of the money is being made in this, I believe. You know, so when that runs out, imagine, I'm not calling it a pyramid scheme, but when the people in the middle and the top, they do all right. The early birds do all right. But the people at the bottom, when the affiliates are running out, when the buzz around this starts to run out, those poor people at the bottom, you know, the bottom falls out for them. These whole things, they close down and you lose money. Do you know what I mean? Now, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen with here, because I'm not actually in it. I wouldn't join something like this because I'm not actually in it. So I don't know. You know, I'm hoping that it will last. If you've invested your money or you're thinking of investing your money, I'm hoping it will last and you'll do really well from this. But just from the past and from the bits that are missing from this, I would just be a little bit careful. Don't risk any money that you can't afford to lose. You know, this is a high risk strategy. Just know it is that. If you're prepared to put the money in and potentially make the 300%, then go for it. But you also have to be prepared to lose it. Do you know what I mean? Because it has got very, very high Ponzi scheme looking sort of features where no products, no education, no nothing, no trade. You don't know who the traders are. You don't know the trade. You don't know anything. You're just hoping that this platform just keeps pushing these percentages out, and you hope and pray that you get it back. And where the real money is really being made, I believe, is from recruiting others, from the affiliate and building a team. You know, so that's my opinion on it anyway. Do you know? So I hope you got some value from that. Like I was talking to you earlier, if you actually want to come and see the trading that I do, that we do, we're Forex traders, and I trade with 5, 6, 7 figure earners that trade a strategy that you will see for yourself. The results are unbelievable, and you can come and do that and train with us completely for free for a week. So you see for yourself whether it's for you or not. Yeah, the first training starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it goes on all through the week. You can get on, it's live training. You can get on, you can ask questions, you can see if it's for you, and no credit card is asked for at all. You know, so if that's something you may be interested in, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. What you do is just click on that, and you'll get completely free access to the training that starts on Monday once you've opted in. And then you just see if it's for you or not, you know? So either way, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. So share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. And I'd love to hear from you. I'd love if you're actually in Pegasus and you think it's great, it's doing really well, please leave a comment below and let me know about it. Do you know what I mean? Or, you know, if it didn't work out for you, I'd also like to know that as well. Or anything at all, anything you want to talk about, just leave it all in the comments box below. Once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.